it's really hard in a childcare center sometimes to maintain the most sanitized and healthy environment. Think of all the boogers and dirt and grime and spit and sneezing and, heaven forbid, all the other elements we could talk about that are coming into your classroom. So sometimes you really got to find technology that allows you to work smart instead of just so daggum hard all the time.
I am Randy with RCI Environmental Solutions. I am the distributor of this technology for Active Tech in the Western Slope. I have this technology in several assisted living communities, and it is developed to be a method of bacteria control unsurpassable in any building, in any market. Object is to lower occupant illness by about 70%. At nighttime, when everybody leaves, we get our disinfectants and we start wiping the tables, we start wiping surfaces. Again, if there were children coming in today that were sick with the flu or cold symptoms, wiping surfaces does not address airborne problems. The technology behind this unit here will address every square inch in this building here. How it does this is when I am now turning this unit on, the proactive technology in that little cell that you see glowing inside of there is now creating safe hydroxyls that are being dispersed into this environment. These hydroxyls now are floating just like dust with the air current, and they seek and destroy everything in their path. Therefore, it's landing on the sheets of paper, on the floor, on the balls, on the toys, on the drink bottles, neutralizing all the bacteria, every square inch of these things 24/7. Although there is dirt maybe present on here, which the normal cleaning method will address, the bacteria found on that is always continuing to be neutralized. When this happens, and this safely fills this whole environment full of safe hydroxyls, when sick children come in here, these hydroxyls now are consuming their bodies and landing everywhere on their body, neutralizing the bacteria, keeping it from spreading to the other children. This is meant to reduce occupant illness about 70%. Although there's a lot of activity between the children, this technology will not address the bacteria, neutralize it to the point where kids won't get sick. Because of the interactivity, there's a chance they're going to. However, if they are drawing and doing normal activities, this will stop the spread from everybody getting sick about 70%.
When we leave at the end of the night, we up this to a deep cleansing mode, and 24/7 it continues to clean our center for us. At our Fruita location, we use this device. It's called an Active Tech Induct that goes right into our HVAC. So this is mounted in here as air flows through our entire facility. It's continuing to work, clean, disinfect, and neutralize bacteria.
Basically, we'll control all airborne and surface bacteria, not missing a square inch of any building.
And I'll put a link in the description below so you can get a hold of Randy as well as learn more about this technology. If you found the content of this video resourceful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching.